What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a short little video because I don't see too many of these on the internet of how to change the key fob battery for the A90 Supra. I believe it works for other BMW keys as well. All you'll need is something to unlock the back with, as well as some good batteries. Don't buy anything cheap. Don't cheap out. If you buy cheap batteries, the key fob will die within 2-3 months. So I recommend Energizer, Panasonic, anything like that. But anyway, first thing you'll do is click that little button there and take the actual key part of the fob out. You can just put that to the side. Next, you want to look for that little pin. There's 2 little pins right there. And all you're going to do is, using a flathead, in this case I'm just using this little Phillips, pop that back off. It just slides back like that. And then there is your old battery. As I said earlier, this one had a Panasonic, but today we're going to be swapping it out with an Energizer. Just as good. So you just pop that out like so. That's the old one. So now we got our new Energizer battery right there. Just gonna slide it in like so. Slide this back cover back in like that, make sure it clips. It's all secured. And last but not least, you can put your old little key in like so. Make sure that clips. Sometimes it's annoying. Come on. There you go. That's it. Key fob's replaced and it should work. If for whatever reason it does not work, it is not a battery issue. It could be the actual fob. It just needs to get reprogrammed. So if you replace the battery, it's still not working, you still can't unlock the car. When the key fob is in the car, it says it's missing. That could just be a programming issue. But this video is specifically for just swapping out the batteries. So hope this video helped you guys. It's kind of sweet and short. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.